Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain how can we call the validations using dynamic action. For that I am going to create a new region, page items and button. Validations using DA. I am going to create a page items. One and another page item, item 2. Click save. Next I am going to create a new button. I given the name as submit. Okay. Region is main. Okay. Click save and run. Okay, so usually what we will do, we can call the validations like we have to create the separate validation and there we will build our logics, and for not null we can directly go to the page item. In the validation part we will usually give us value required, right? So here I'm going to create a new dynamic action. In the dynamic action I'm going to given our custom validation messages. So I'm going to create a dynamic action. I put it as custom validation. Okay. Here on event is like on click of button submit. I'm going to create a two actions execute JavaScript code. Okay. So here I'm going to copy this page code and put it here. Okay. So here what I given, like I declaring the variable, this is our page item. So here I mentioned this custom message, please fill out this field 1. So same thing I just copied here and put it here like for the page item 2, and here I just changing the page item name, and here this is my custom message. Once our logic is built here, what I did here, like in the else part I'm going to go call as apex.submit. Okay, click OK, save. Now I'm going to refresh this page. Okay, so currently there is no value here. I'm going to click the submit. It will call our dynamic action and it will fire our validations. You can see. So in normal validations as value required, what will happen? The page will get reload and then it will display the message. But here the page will not get reload. It will throw the validations. So if I give any value, click submit, the page will get processed. If I remove this, I'm trying to submit, it will throw the message. This message will be the customized one, like I'm going to use any messages. Please fill out this page. I can put it as must have some value. Okay, save. You can see must have some value. I hope this video will be useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.